In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome step by step. If a website isn't loading correctly, buttons aren't working, or pages look broken, turning on JavaScript can often fix the issue right away. This is a quick Chrome setting, and once you know where it is, you can change it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the list that appears, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and website permissions. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, look for privacy and security and click it. This is where Chrome keeps many of the controls that affect how websites behave in your browser. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is the section that manages permissions like camera, microphone, pop-ups, notifications, and JavaScript. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Content section. Under that section, click JavaScript. This opens the page where you can manage JavaScript permissions for websites in Chrome. Here, you'll see the main JavaScript setting. To enable it, select sites can use JavaScript. Once you choose that option, JavaScript is turned on in Google Chrome, and supported websites should start working normally again. If you were troubleshooting a page that wasn't functioning properly, this is often the setting that makes the difference. If you ever need to check whether JavaScript is enabled in the future, you can come back to the same menu and confirm that this option is selected. And if you want to block JavaScript later for a specific reason, you can return here and change the setting again. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled JavaScript in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome and browser tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.